It's 50 random facts time, from the robot vacuum cleaner that had enough to how the Ouija board named itself. And how does eating late at night change you? Let's get into it. In 2020, a robotic vacuum cleaner in the UK made a daring escape from its hotel confines. It rolled away like a tiny, autonomous Houdini, proving that even our gadgets dream of freedom from dust and schedules. Kangaroos use their huge tails as a fifth leg. They lean on them for balance, power their signature hops, and stabilize mid-air during jumps. Without that tail, the iconic kangaroo bounce would look more like a clumsy stumble. In 2003, a Coca-Cola employee was caught sipping a Pepsi during work and was promptly fired. That's not just a brand violation, it's a carbonated betrayal. Lesson? In the cola wars, loyalty is measured in bubbles and beverage choices. In 2010, IKEA in Wembley, England, released 100 cats into the store just to see what would happen. No marketing plan, just pure feline chaos among flat-pack furniture. The results? Catnaps in bed displays and zero interest in meatballs. In Australia, if you tear a banknote in half, it's still worth something, specifically half its value. A $20 note ripped clean down the middle becomes two awkward $10. Currency down under doesn't mess around. It just multiplies when damaged. Microwaving food doesn't destroy nutrients. In fact, it often preserves more than boiling. Thanks to faster cooking times and less water use, microwaves help keep vitamins intact. Your quick meal hack might actually be healthier than you thought. During the Cold War, the US government stockpiled over 500 million pounds of cheese in secret bunkers, just in case. It was dubbed government cheese, and yes, it was real. Because nothing says national security like emergency cheddar rations. To discourage corruption, Chinese officials are sometimes taken on grim, scared straight tours of prisons. They walk through cells, meet disgraced former leaders, and get a not-so-subtle reminder. If greed takes over, your office could come with bars. Hot air balloon competitions often include a strange but delightful rule. Pilots drop bean bags on ground targets to score points. Forget fire and altitude, it's all about beanbag accuracy from 1,000 feet. Sky-high sportsmanship meets picnic game physics. In 2005, a student created milliondollarhomepage.com, selling 1 million pixels of web space for $1 each. The pixel-packed mosaic sold out completely, making him a millionaire from a screen that looks like digital confetti, proof that crazy ideas sometimes pay off. In 1890, the creators of the Ouija board asked the board itself what to name it. It spelled out Ouija and claimed it meant good luck. Basically, it named itself and then immediately gave everyone a cryptic warning. In 2010, Apple sold around 40 million iPhones over the entire year. By 2015, they moved 4 million units in just 1 week. That's not a sales boost, it's a full-blown tech addiction wrapped in aluminum and shipped with a charger. Only about 2% of the world's population is naturally blonde. So if you're rocking golden locks from birth, congratulations, you're basically a genetic unicorn. The rest of us? We owe everything to salons, bleach, and well-lit selfies. At a Korean restaurant on Jeju Island, China, the 5 most attractive customers each day eat for free. Judged by a panel, beauty literally pays here, though the menu might leave a bitter aftertaste for anyone seated outside the spotlight. Your first kiss isn't just sweet, it's science. That smooch floods your brain with dopamine and endorphins, sparking euphoria and desire. Basically, your body throws a mini party and hopes there's a second date, or at least good breath involved. Oscilloscopes let us see sound as light patterns, turning invisible audio frequencies into colorful, dancing visual waves. It's like watching music come alive on a screen, letting scientists and musicians alike admire sound's secret light show. Since 2000, global clothing production has doubled, yet we wear each item about 40% less. Fast fashion feeds our closets, but not our conscience. Clothes now cycle faster than memes, leaving landfills full of regret, sequins, and unused skinny jeans. Carl Bushby has spent more than 20 years trekking around the globe on foot, crossing frozen seas and dodging everything from wolves to frostbite to suspicious border guards. His epic journey is basically the ultimate don't-try-this-at-home adventure. A Japanese indoor farm, once a semiconductor factory, now grows 10,000 heads of lettuce daily using 99% less water than traditional farming. It's high-tech gardening at its finest, where LEDs replace sunlight and lettuce gets pampered like hydroponic royalty. In 17th century Japan, meat was banned for religious reasons. Butchers got creative, rebranding pork as mountain whale and deer as field tuna to sneak around the rules. Culinary loopholes, samurai style. When in doubt, rename your dinner into something way fishier. In Canada, it's legal to challenge someone to a duel, provided nobody accepts the invitation. So technically, you can throw down a gauntlet with zero risk. It's like a polite dare with a strict no-fighting policy baked in. Ohio Judge Michael Cicconetti is famous for poetic justice. One sentence made a cab fare skipper walk 30 miles in 48 hours, the exact distance the taxi driver drove, unpaid. Justice wasn't just served, it was laced up in sneakers. Studies show that when women frequently text their partners, both report higher relationship satisfaction. But when men do the same, satisfaction tends to drop. Apparently, good morning texts are cute until he sends 17 of them by noon. In Dubai, you can withdraw pure gold from ATMs, literally. These machines dispense gold bars ranging from 1 gram up to 2.5 kilograms, complete with live price updates and luxury packaging. Because who wouldn't want instant gold on demand? A Brunel University study found people who constantly post fitness or achievement updates on Facebook are more likely to have narcissistic traits. Turns out all those gym selfies might say more about ego than abs. Validation, now with filters. In 2013, a woman in Oregon intentionally started a wildfire to boost job opportunities for her firefighter friends. The blaze torched 206 square kilometers and cost $8 million to contain, making it the world's most expensive attempt at networking. Margherita pizza was named after Italy's Queen Margherita. Its toppings, tomato, mozzarella, and basil, represent the colors of the Italian flag, symbolizing national pride served on a delicious, cheesy, crispy crust. That's what you call a patriotic pizza. In 2015, a British Airways flight had to turn around mid-air due to an overwhelming toilet odor. One smelly passenger's bathroom break literally grounded a plane. Proof that turbulence isn't always caused by clouds. Sometimes it's curry and poor timing. Google doesn't care much about your GPA or test scores anymore. In fact, 14% of their staff didn't even attend college. Turns out building search engines matters more than crushing Scantron tests. Degrees optional, being brilliant, however, is still mandatory. Neurologists say regularly resisting anger can literally rewire your brain. Each time you pause before exploding, you're training your neural pathways to favor calm over chaos. Basically, it's emotional strength training, minus the gym and with far fewer thrown staplers. Potatoes can spontaneously combust if stored in the wrong conditions. Think bad ventilation, heat, and moisture creating a recipe for a tuber fire. Yes, your humble spud can turn into a mini bonfire if neglected long enough. When your eyes dart around, your brain temporarily blocks vision, a quirk called saccadic masking. It's like a neurological jump cut, hiding the blur so you don't get dizzy. Your brain edits reality like a film director with OCD. Nissan uses the number 23 in racing because ni means 2 and san means 3 in Japanese. Together, they spell Nissan, a clever linguistic flex that turned their own name into a racing badge of honor. Subtle? Yes. Intentional? Absolutely. During World War II, Britain urged citizens to stockpile tea, not weapons. Tea was seen as essential for keeping morale high during dark times, because nothing boosts courage and patience quite like a warm cuppa amid air raids and blackout curtains. Sloths might be slow on land, but they're surprisingly good swimmers. Using a gentle breaststroke, they float easily and can hold their breath underwater for up to 40 seconds, defying expectations of clumsy animals by showing off-aquatic skills. In 1915, millionaire Cecil Chubb bought Stonehenge at an auction for £6,600 as a gift for his wife. She hated it, so in the ultimate re-gifting move, he handed the prehistoric monument over to the British government. Awkward anniversary. Boxing gloves were introduced to reduce cuts and broken hands, but ironically, they led to more brain damage. With padded fists, boxers could punch harder and longer, causing deeper internal injuries. Turns out safety gear isn't always brain-friendly. African elephants sometimes eat fermented marula fruit, which can mildly intoxicate them. Researchers say this elephant drunkenness might cause clumsy behavior and hangovers, proving even the largest land mammals can overdo it at the wildlife party. Some luxury brands destroy unsold stock to keep their image exclusive. Burberry famously burned $36 million worth of products because apparently exclusivity means watching designer scarves go up in flames instead of letting discounts dilute the brand's mystique. The U.S. controls about 80% of global maritime trade, dominating crucial shipping routes, especially after expanding influence into the Pacific. This strategic grip gives America massive economic leverage, shaping how goods move worldwide, even if most people never see an ocean. The U.S. holds the title for the highest civilian gun ownership in the world, with about 88.8 guns per 100 people. That's nearly 1 gun per person, more firepower than folks if you count babies, pacifists, and pet hamsters. In 2012, a blind dog named Turfle was adopted by a stray cat who became his personal guide. The cat gently tapped Turfle's legs with its paw to lead him. Yes, a seeing eye cat, breaking stereotypes and melting hearts simultaneously. Eating late at night doesn't automatically cause weight gain. Your body digests food around the clock, so when you eat matters less than what and how much you eat. Late night snacking isn't a villain, just don't binge on the whole fridge. If every single person on Earth stood together inside the Grand Canyon, we wouldn't even make a dent. The canyon's volume is that massive, it could swallow the world's population and still have room for echoes, tumbleweeds, and bad decisions. San Marino, one of the world's tiniest countries, celebrates a military holiday despite having just 13 soldiers. Their army might be small, but the pride and tradition? Larger than life. Size doesn't always matter. Sometimes it's about the heart. Pilots face a tricky optical illusion called looming, where airports can look much closer or farther than they actually are. It's a real-life visual curveball that can mess with landing decisions, proving even experts get fooled by perspective. In the 1830s, ketchup was marketed as medicine and sold in pill form to treat indigestion. Yes, tomato goop as a cure-all. Doctor-prescribed condiments sound bizarre now, but back then, ketchup was basically the original Pepto with fries on the side. Elon Musk disliked how traditional schools educated his kids, so he made his own. It's called Ad Astra, Latin for to the stars. Because when you're a billionaire genius, homeschooling apparently means reinventing the entire education system from scratch. The My Doom virus of 2004 is the most destructive computer virus ever, causing an estimated $38 billion in global damages. It spread faster than any previous malware, effectively shutting down systems and proving digital chaos can be as costly as natural disasters. Many everyday technologies, from the internet to microchips, started as U.S. military projects before becoming the foundation of modern life. Military innovation quietly shaped our digital world, turning battlefield inventions into essentials for work, play, and connecting across continents. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss next week's video. Or check out the playlist on your screen for more facts. See you next time.